We'll guide you step by step on how to download your iCloud photos to an external drive. First, connect your external drive to your computer. It's recommended to use Google Chrome for this process, so you can follow along Bisahulat. Next, open Chrome and search for iCloud, then go to iCloud.com, sign into your account, and once you're logged in, click on Photos. Select any photo, then press Ctrl+A or Command+A on a Mac to select all your photos. Before continuing, go to the top right corner of Chrome, click the three dots, and open Settings. From the left sidebar, click Downloads, and enable the option Ask where to save each file before downloading. Now, return to iCloud, click the Download button in the top right corner, and choose where to save the files. Select this PC, locate your external drive, choose it, and click Save. Your photos will now download directly to your external drive.